Hello, this is ICP 13 submission for web and mobile programming. Today I have used the source code for this particular speech to text conversion and text to speech conversion. Coming to the application, uh, initially the intent is created for the recognition using action recognized intent is created, and the language is setted, and for prompt as an hint, this particular hint has been created, and this particular function method is going to be executed initially after intent has been created, and super is used to send the data, and use switch case is used whether the request code is successful or not. If the request code is successful, checking for this case input speech case, and result code is checked whether the result status of this result is okay or not. If it was okay, then all the speech to text to speech speech to text converse data is stored in the array list, which is of type string, using recognizer intent, and final data checking whether the array list is empty or not. If it was empty, then default message is going to be executed. Text to speech speak method is used to convert the text to speech using flush. Q flush is used over here, and hash map was null. Voice input text view appending of data of using the text view is done over here. Coming to our condition, checks whether the array list is present or not. If array list was present, then default hello message appending the first value of the array list, and checking whether the array list of the using I'm checking the array retrieving the array list of data using method of zero refers to the index. And in text dot speech, it will gonna speak like what is your name. This was our name, and in this particular sentence we're gonna check for any particular name. In this use case, we check for the name using the keyword contents, and if the keyword was present, then we're gonna append it with the another type of name. Voice input and append is used over here. And this was whole logic written for everything. This was I'm not feeling good was one of the sentence that was given. Thank you was one other sentence. What time is it was another sentence. Now I'm going to show my output. This is my application.
Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Arvind.
Hello, Alvin.
What time is it?
The time is 1:26. Sorry, I can't help you with that.
I'm not feeling good.
I can understand. Please tell your symptoms in short.
These were some of the use cases, and this is my ICP. Thank you.